What is the keyboard shortcut for Exposé on Mac OS X? I am trying to find /change shortcut for Expose. Other docs refer to an option in keyboard shortcuts to change the expose and spaces. Where are these on OS X 10.8.4? As can be seen in screenshot, they do not reside directly in keyboard shortcut settings.
Exposé is referred to as Application Windows in the Keyboard Shortcut Preference window, and App Exposé in the Trackpad Preference window. To activate it, press Ctrl and down arrow. You can verify that they are in fact the same thing, just with different names, by pressing Ctrl and down arrow and observing that it has the same behavior demonstrated in App Exposé of the Trackpad Preference pane, 4-finger swipe down. I get the impression that App Exposé is moving the way of the dodo because App Exposé came unchecked by default on my 10.8 install. Also, Mission Control is just so much more useful than Exposé.
In addition, I was confusing Exposé, what is now called Application Windows, with Mission Control, which displays a flyout of running apps on the current desktop, a list of desktops across the top, and the dock. Set your keyboard equivalent for Mission Control, which I am used to doing the 4-finger upswipe from the touchpad. I actually came across this thread because I am using Synergy 2 to remotely control my Mac from a PC with a standard PC keyboard. The Control 1, etc. settings in System Preferences actually translate to Alt 1, etc. from the PC keyboard.